This problem is a very simple problem. You are asked to calculate the charge Q, and Q is expressed as I into T, where the I is the current in amperes. Current is given in ampere, whereas the value of T is time duration in seconds. The data given, so now the value of Q is, the value of I is given, which is 1.25 ampere. The current is 1.25 ampere, and the time duration is given as 1.5 hours. So we have to convert this 1.5 hours into seconds. So 1.25 amp into 1.5, the conversion factor is 3600 to convert hour into seconds. So finally, if you are solving this equation, now the value of Q, the ultimate answer is 6750 coulombs. So I into T, that is I in ampere, and T in seconds. Amp into second is nothing but coulomb. So 1 ampere current is passed for 1 second, then is equal to 1 coulomb. So that's the problem.